Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use burst mode for action shots on Sony A6400. Let's begin. Now, by default we have, let's say, a cooldown for making photos. As you can see, if I will do a photo right now, I can't really do a very quick photos. However, if you want to make a very big amount of photos in very short amount of time, we want to switch the mode of the shooting. We can do that by pressing the left side of the wheel. So as you can see, this has like a little timer icon and bunch of photos icon. We want to click on that. And now you can switch the drive mode from single shooting to continuous shooting. We also have 3 different modes. For example, we have the self timer, but we are interested in that. We can click on that, and now we can shoot very fast, like this. And now we have auto cooldown for processing every single image that we did. It is really good for making some action shots, and yeah, as you can see, they do look pretty cool. Amazing. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.